calm down. To rest the mind, the Pancha Indriyas have to be shut. The five senses have to be shut. Then only left brain won't work. When there is no work for the left brain, the right brain won't function. In the sense, thoughts won't be created. When thoughts are not created, automatically the mind will become so calm. Only when the mind is so calm, you can induct your desires. You can induct your goals. And that can be embossed in the subconscious so as to happen in the near future. So for which you have to calm down the mind. Last class I told you alpha state.
Beta.
Alpha state, you don't have any thought. You feel sleep-like state. And although the five senses are active, there won't be any action. That is called alpha state. Alpha state of mind is a creative mind. Alpha state of mind is a dynamic mind. Alpha state of mind has got more powerful than the left brain. Whatever you put it in the right brain, that happens. So now I am going to taste you what is alpha state. Did you already enjoy the alpha state? I don't know. You are telling me that you are doing, you are a meditator. If you are a meditator, you would have enjoyed the alpha state of mind, alpha state
Yes.
of consciousness.
Yes.
In spite of that, spiritual meditation, I am going to conduct a scientific meditation. What is the difference between scientific meditation and a spiritual meditation?
Scientific meditation has truth. Spiritual meditation, it doesn't have a proof. Like it will be everything. Like whatever I have that knowledge.
Spiritual meditation, whatever you possess, you leave everything. You need God only. But in scientific meditation, disturbances.
Yeah. Children outside. Now they are going in the lift.
The scientific meditation, except God, you need everything what God has given in the world.
Yes.
There you get the God, here you get the material. Power, status, fame, name, everything you get it in scientific meditation. Scientific meditation is law of attraction. Scientific meditation is alpha mind miracle meditation.
Now I got
Alpha
this
mind
point.
miracle meditation is scientific. Law of attraction is scientific. Whatever you feel, whatever you think, whatever you desire, you get it.
In scientific.
Even in Adhyatma meditation also, your desire is to embrace the God. Your desire is to become the God. Your desire is to realize yourself. Your desire is to God realization. Everything happens. Provided if you leave the material world. But in scientific meditation, whether you are with the God or not, if you wish to have something, you get it.
How come?
That is the thing I am going to teach you.
First you made me confused, I was thinking lot, what's the scientific and this all. very like alpha, beta, this all keeping in mind, it's making very confused. Okay, slowly, you are revealing like to be continued. Okay, now continue.
How it happens means, whatever is outside, that is inside. What is inside? What do you have inside? Inside there is a soul.
Hmm.
Where do the soul come from? From your neighbor? From the super bazaar? Where do
From
the
God.
Huh?
From God.
God, correct? Where is the God? Where
In
is the
me,
God?
inside.
No, you told from God, you told me. Then where is the God? God is everywhere. God is everywhere.
Everywhere.
How come you say that God is everywhere? The cosmic energy, the Prapancha Shakti, it is maintaining the world, all living things and non-living things. But people don't believe that cosmic energy is God.
Yes.
But cosmic energy is the real God.
Even universe is also God.
Universe only, the cosmic energy is there. Cosmic energy
Yeah.
takes care of everything in the universe.
Oh, okay.
That is called, it is called universal life force energy. You ask me a question, I am giving you answer.
Yeah.
Yourself and the divine force which is dwelling in the universe are not connected. Are not connected. Although you have come from the universal divine power, there is no connectivity between you and the divine power. A small portion of the universal divine power has get into your body, but there is no connectivity. When you are able to connect your soul with the divine power, either you become God or not, whatever have in your mind, that happens. Am I confusing you?
Little bit I'm getting understand.
Little bit understanding and much of it confused.
Yes.
You are speaking the truth. It is a real worry for me. I have been confusing you every day. The man becomes God when the soul dwelling inside him connects with the divine power. He becomes God. The sense he has to remove the soul and merge it with the God power, divine power. He becomes God. But without becoming a God, you can connect the soul with the divine power for certain purposes. It won't merge with the God. The soul is not being used. It is uselessly kept inside the body. It is a supervisor. Only the mind is working. You have to unite the mind, body and soul. Then your divine power will connect.
Divine connected. That is a scientific method.
That is the thing I am going to teach you. In a scientific
Yeah.
way, not a spiritual
Yeah.
way.
I know. I
The
got
law
it.
of attraction is connecting your soul
No,
with the divine
with the
power.
sun. With
The
the divine
soul is
power.
not alone. As I told you, the soul is connected to your mind. All of your desires and egos and etc. are in the Oblongata medulla memory.
Which is the past, karma, and previous and
Everything is there in right brain.
Yeah. This
There
I
is
got.
right brain, that is a mind, conscious mind, subconscious mind.
Subconscious.
When you trigger the subconscious mind, automatically whatever you have registered in the subconscious connected to the God, your Atma, Deham and Manasu. All these three factors have to be united together. Whatever you think, it happens, whether it is a good or bad. When you manipulate bad things, it is called black magic.
Black magic. Yes.
Unless otherwise you know the technicality of uniting all these three. mind, body and soul, you cannot do anything. So the Eastern people, they borrowed the Indian spiritual culture, and different people they give different name. NLP, ESP, law of attraction, alpha miracle meditation, etc. etc. Everything is Indian spiritual system only. But they are manipulating it for some other purpose. Not to see God or merge God or attain mukti. Okay, now we'll come to the subject now.